In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to verify your sex.io account, which is KYC, know your customers. In case you don't have an account with them, just go to Play Store, download their app, enter your email address. They're going to send you a verification code. Enter the verification code, then you meet us here. Then for us to do that, you need to get your documents ready. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this in 5 minutes. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time I've coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So let's continue with our verification. So let's click on verify now. It's loading. So it says country of residence. Here we are going to enter our country, zip code, city, street address, apartment slash suite. That one is optional. So I'm just going to enter my details now. I'm going to enter my details now. I'm going to enter my country, Nigeria, zip code. In case you don't know your zip code, you can go to Google, input your state, country, and you're going to see your zip code. So I'm just going to enter my zip code now. So now I've entered my zip code. The next thing is to input your state. You can just do that by clicking on this drop down here. By clicking here. So I'm just going to click on it now and select my state. You can see Abia, Adamawa. So I'm just going to select my state, Anambra. So now that I've selected my state, I'm just going to input my city. I'm just going to enter my city now. So after entering my city, the next thing is to enter street address. I'm just going to enter my street address now. Then the next thing is apartment slash suite. So that one is optional, so I'm just going to click on next. So now here we are going to enter our phone number. I'm just going to enter my phone number now. So now I've entered my phone number. Next thing is to click on next. So it's processing it. Here it says document type. Please be ready to scan your documents. You have to submit your identification documents such as international passport, driver's license, or ID card. So I'm just going to choose my document type, which is national ID card. Issuing country, which is Nigeria. So we're just going to click on next. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can just always click on the drop down, on this drop down here, to change to your country, the country that the ID is issued in. So we're just going to click on next. It says allow sex.io to take pictures and record video. Allow. So we're about to front side of your document. So for this, I'm using my NIN, national identity number. So I'm just going to take a picture of it. It says make sure the details are clear to read with no blur or glare. So now you're just going to click on it's readable. So now we're going to snap the back side of our document. So I'm just going to snap the back side. It says make sure that everything are clear and readable with no blur. So I'm just going to click on it's readable. So here we are going to enter our first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender, and nationality. So here I'm just going to enter my first name, which is just type in your first name. Middle name, last name, then here you enter your date of birth. So I'm just going to enter my date of birth now. Make sure you are up to 18 years. Then I'll click on OK. Then select your gender, female, nationality, your country of origin. So I'm just going to enter my country, which is Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, you can always search from this list. So I'm just going to select Nigeria. Then we click on next. So it says serial number, issuing country, documents. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the number on my NIN, on my NIN, on this serial number. Then issuing country, Nigeria. So this place where it says document has an expiry date, here I'm using national ID, which is my NIN. So I'm just going to turn it off. But if you're using something like driver's license, international passport, you can enter the expiry date. So I'm just going to turn this off. Then I'm just going to enter my NIN number here, for those of us that are using NIN for this verification. So I'm just going to enter my NIN number. So now I'm just going to click on next. Issuing country, if you're not in Nigeria, you can always click on this drop down to select your country, but I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to leave it as it is, Nigeria. I'm just going to click on next. It says take a selfie with your ID. Take a selfie holding your ID. Make sure both the ID and yourself are clearly visible. So open camera. I'm just going to take a selfie now. Rotate your device to landscape to make sure the device okay. So now it's processing it. Good news, we have increased the account limit. Then we click on continue. So guys, my account has been successfully verified. As you can see, this is how easy it is for those of us that are living in Nigeria. Yes, you can use your national your NIN slip for this verification. As you can see, I used my NIN to verify this account and it was very smooth. So this is how to verify your sex.io account in 5 minutes without stressing yourself. I used my NIN and it was successful. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. See you guys in my next video. Bye.